Maximm's 4K HDMI cable pack offers everything you need for a top-tier home entertainment setup. With triple shielded 32 AWG copper conductors and gold-plated connectors, these cables ensure flawless transmission of 4K Ultra HD content at 60 Hz, supporting HDR and 3D for stunning visuals and immersive experiences. The nylon braided design not only enhances durability, but also adds a sleek aesthetic to your setup, while the included 270-degree right-angle adapter and extensive cable management accessories make installation a breeze. Compatible with HDMI 2.0 devices and backward compatible with older versions, Maximm guarantees optimal performance across TVs, monitors, gaming consoles, and more. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching movies, these cables deliver crisp images and vibrant colors with cinema-like sound quality through Dolby Audio return channel support. Backed by a 1-year warranty and excellent customer service, Maximm's HDMI cables are a solid choice for anyone seeking the best in home theater connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.